Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to have um, my first promotional content. So this is about AccuFast HCG a week test. It is about a pregnancy test. Okay. The product name, so the generic name, one-step semi-quantitative HCG urine pregnancy test or colloidal gold immunochromatographic. We have the packing specifications. Mainstream, it consists of one assay or a kit. Okay, HCG pregnancy week test. It detects whether and how many weeks you are pregnant. So later on, I'm going to explain each one of them. Intended use. The strip is used for vitro semi-quantitative assay of content of human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG in human urine, which is applicable to the primary diagnosis of early pregnancy for the woman of childbearing age. HCG or HCG consists of alpha and beta diners glycoprotein, but anterior pituitary hormone also shares alpha subunit. The beta subunit is specific to HCG. The complete HCG is generated in plasmatrophoblasts of placental chorionic. Its main function is to stimulate corpus luteum, which helps the continuous secretion of progesterone and estrogen and promotes the formation of uterine decidua to promote maturity of placenta. Okay, let's continue. Nowadays, HCG is thought to be generated by transitional cells and syncytial cells in the plasmodyblast. During the first to 8 to 10 weeks of gestation, the HCG increases rapidly to maintain gestation. During the gestation within 1 to 2.5 weeks, the HCG contained in serum and urine can rapidly rise to speed of 60%. After about 8 weeks of pregnancy, HCG decreases gradually to relative stable level about or after about 20 weeks. Human chronic gonadotropin or HCG test colloidal gold immune chromatographic adapts the principle of immunotographic sandwich method and is used to determine the HCG content in human urine by semi-quantitative method. There are two viewing areas on both left and right side. From the top to bottom, the viewing area on the left is coded with quality control line C and test line T3 and T1, while the viewing are on the right side is coded with quality control line C and test line T4 and T2. During the test after the urine is added on the sample pool, the liquid will creep up under the effect of saponage. If the urine contains a certain amount of HCG, the colloidal gold leveled anti-alpha HCG monoclonal antibody will bind to HCG in urine HCG and will continue to creep up. Tell the test lines T1 over T2 over T3 and over T4. It will react with anti-beta HCG monoclonal antibody of the relevant concentration, which is coated on nitrocellulose membrane and form a double antibody sandwich compound of colloidal gold level anti-alpha HCG monoclonal antibody urine HCG or anti-beta HCG monoclonal antibody. In case the 25 MIU per ml is less than the HCG concentration, less than 100 MIU per ml in urine, the color will only appear on the test line T1 but will not appear in T2, T3, or T4. In case 100 MIOU per ml less than the HCG concentration, less than or equal to 100 MIU per ml in the urine, the color will only appear on the test line T1 and T2, but will not appear in T3 or T4. In case 300 MIOU per ml is less than or equal to the HCG content less than 1000 MIU per ml in urine, the color will appear on test line 1 or T2, T1, T2, and T3, but will not appear in T4. So the in case the HCG content is greater than or equal to 1000 MIOU per ml, the color will appear on all the test lines T1, T2, and T3 and T4. Whether the urine contains HCG or not, the anti-mouse 1 gram G polyclonal antibody on both left and right quality control lines will bind to colloidal gold leveled anti-alpha HCG monoclonal antibody and appears a red quality control line. The main components. So number one, test strip. It consists of anti-beta HCG monoclonal antibody coated on intercellulose membrane, anti-mouse 1G polyclonal or clonal antibody, and colloidal gold leveled anti-alpha HCG monoclonal antibody, as well as other reagents or desiccant. Store or the storage and expiry. Store the strip at 2 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius is a dry place away from light. Frozen storage is prohibited. Validity 24 months. Once the aluminum foil bag is unsealed, the test strip should be used within 2 hours. For the sample requirements, urine drink specimen must be collected in a clean and dry container. First morning urine specimen is preferred due to its high concentration of HCG. However, urine specimens collected at any time of day may be used. 2 hours before urine collecting, drink less liquid. 3. Urine should be collected with disposable urine cups of clean containers. 4. If specimen cannot be assayed immediately, they can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for up to 72 hours prior to teaching. Urine specimens exhibiting visible precipitates should be settled to obtain a clear specimen for testing. If tests can't be done within 3 days, the urine should be stored at negative 20 degrees Celsius for less than 12 months before the test sample to room temperature, or that's about 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for the test method, so first I'm going to introduce you, this is the sample, no? So the actual sample of the strip that you are going to buy, no? Via the link that I'm going to send here of this video, and it has composed of two strips. And of course, so for the test method, you can pull out this at ito po yun, no? Okay, and this one, no? So we have here, and okay, we have the strip, no? So yung T1, yun, or yung T1, T2, 3, 4, and then yan, and then yung C. Okay, so how are you going to test the, so the test strip has two viewing areas, of course, the left and the right, and the quality control line C, nasa taas, okay, it's here. right? And the lines T3 and T1 on the left and also the to the right. The T4 and T2 on the right. Hold on to the stick and then pointing stubbornly this or really tip sample well, okay, downwards. So you have to pick out this clear samples and you can sip it in your urine, no? And of course, using the cup, no, you can um, hold and then stream for 10 to 15 seconds. So ididip nyo po sa inyong ihi or you can dip in your urine samples. You can also collect your urine into a clean cup, no? And to the urine, of course, you have to have your clean cup. Read the result after 5 minutes. Okay, so or yan. So the results showed no clinical significance after 10 minutes. So yan, so clinic. Yan, okay. Now, positive assay value. Okay, so uh, the positive determination value of this product is greater than or equal to 25 MIOU. All laboratories and clinics are recommended to create their own positive determination value. So test results interpretation. So negative when the color only appears on the quality control. Line C on the left and right sides of the HCG concentration less than 25 MIU per ml. Positive when the color appears on the quality control line C and test line 1 and 2. With 25 MIOU per ml or less than or equal to the HCG concentration less than 100 MIU per ml. So perhaps no. So you need already to okay. So we have here, of course. So this is how you will use. Yeah. And so this is how you are going to do it. It's in the strip. Of course. So we have. You will know that you are pregnant. So if it's one on T1 only, you are 1 to 2 weeks. If it has in T2, you are already 3 weeks, and 3 to 4 if it's already in T3. And of course, if you have test 1, 2, 3, and 4 red lines, and then you are 4 plus weeks. If it's C only, then you are not pregnant. Okay, so see the result in 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I am encouraging you guys use this product for your if you are legal age of a childbearing woman. This is a good strip. Okay, so thank you. I love you all.